What's up, guys? This is Jesse with J.FINESSE Flights, and today I want to make just a quick little video about these goggle adapters to run 6S packs, 6 cell battery packs, 6, 5, 4, whatever one you buy. It'll state what it'll put out, what you can plug into it. Here is the XT60 connector, and it has this little black TPU piece that covers all this. I probably should have showed it before I tore it apart, but last weekend I was flying and I landed and I went changed the pack, went to take back off, and I realized, I put my goggles on, I realized I didn't have video. My goggles were dead. I was like, oh no, what's going on? So I unplug them, plug them back in, unplug them, plug them back in. This part here, I tried that part a couple times and I unplugged from the LiPo, grabbed another LiPo, plugged it in, and they came on. So I put it in my pocket and it went off. I put the LiPo in my back pocket and it went off. So I was like, oh no, man, something's wrong with them, So I grabbed this piece here as it's plugged in, and I kind of wiggle it a little bit, and they come back on. It's like, okay, the wires are real crappy, I bet. So I bet it just broke or whatever. Well, that wasn't the case. The case is, sorry for the shaky video, by the way. I'm just doing this off of my cell phone real quick. But the problem is, on mine, is right, let's see if I can get this dude to focus. Right here, the solder joint has broken on the XT60 connector. Yep, you can barely see it right there. It's broken. But the main thing is there's not a lot of solder on these, so it wouldn't hurt. Now the wires are cheap, but the solder looks great. It's nice and clean and bubbled up. There is a potentiometer. This is just like a Pololu, or however you want to say it. Just a a back voltage regulator. But I'm going to go ahead and resolder mine. You can see right there where it's broke. I'm going to fill those cups up a little bit and try to reflow this. But maybe you guys want to do that. If you do buy some, just go ahead and cut the shrink wrap. There's just a little bit of shrink wrap on them, which I do not have. Here, oh yeah, here it is, right here. Just some shrink wrap on there. I just cut mine off. You can add some back. There's this little piece. I kept trying to look through my phone. Piece right there, and then of course this. And it's all real simple. It'll go back in, no problem. Everything will go back together, and then you just shrink it back. But just a little heads up to something you might want to check on. Now, I bought these a long time ago from, well, it doesn't matter where I bought them from. They're all going to be about the same, I'm sure. But I've had these for a while, maybe 8 months or more. Well, back whenever I bought my FatSharks, actually. So it's been a while. But yeah, that's all. I just wanted to let you guys know. I don't want to drag this video out too long. But that's it. All right, thanks for checking in. Just go over your equipment and make sure you don't want to be flying somewhere. I don't want to crash anywhere. But let's say, I've flown in some pretty sketchy situations, down around buildings and stuff downtown and places like that. And if you lose video, man, you're done. That's it. You're done. More likely you're going to go down. So you might as well just go ahead and double check these things if you're going to use them. I'm going to take my own words of wisdom there, and I'm going to resolder this up and make sure it's up to par to my liking, and send it, baby. All right, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. See y'all later. Bye.